Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic will be direct and indirect. It will be again continued. It is page number 109 and 10 in your textbooks. It will be continued today. In the previous lectures, I told you that before converting direct into indirect speech, there are few things which has to be taken care of. Like we have to see what is the verb used in reporting verb. If it is in present, we can't change the verb in the reported speech. If the verb is in past in reporting verb, then we can convert the verb into past tense in the reporting speech. Similarly, we have also seen universal truth, the case of universal truth in which no change is allowed. We have also seen the conversion of this into that, is into was, you into were, yesterday into previous day, tomorrow into next day, will into would, shall into should. Okay. Now let's take some examples from our textbooks now, and we will try to do it. We will try to convert it. We will try to convert it into indirect speech. Suppose the first one is written here. The teacher said to me. The teacher said to me, comma, into commas begin. I have no time today. I have no time today. The rule number second is implementing here. The reported verb is in past. Said is the second form of say. So obviously have will be converted into had. I will write the teacher told me. Said to me will be converted into told me that I, वो अपनी बात कर रहा है. It means it will be converted into he. He had. Have will be converted into had. No time. Today will be converted into that day. That day. Okay, students. The second example is the boy said, Mother, I will become a doctor one day. When we convert it into indirect speech, we will write the boy told that he will be converted into would, that he would become a doctor one day. The boy told that he will become a doctor one day. Next example. She said, my father will return from Jammu tomorrow. In this case, tomorrow will be converted into next day. She said, it will be converted like as, she told that her father will be converted into would return from Jammu next day. She told that her father would return from Jammu next day. Another example. They said, comma, into commas begin, we will die for the sake of our country. What will be the indirect speech? They told that they will be converted into would. They would die for the sake of their country. Our will be converted into their. Our will be converted into their. We will be converted into they. वो अपनी बात कर रहे हैं. Tomorrow will be converted into next day. Tomorrow will be converted into next day. Let's take another example. I said to him, you have made a false statement. I told him that he, मैं उसको बोल रहा हूं, he had made a false statement. Has will be converted into had. Next, they said to me, we will play a match tomorrow. They told us that they will be converted into would. Play a match tomorrow will be converted into next day. Thanks. I think that is sufficient for today.